Yo, what's up guys, it's ld.equine here, back with another video. So guys, we're back in The Sims today, and I have made me, Lily Reeves, not my actual last name, and a made up gran called Rosemary Reeves. So these are outfits. So this is my everyday, this is my formal wear, this is my athletic wear, my sleeping wear, which is actually quite cute, I think. So this is my favorite outfit, my party outfit. I love the dress. It is custom content. Guys, tell me if you want me to show you guys how to do custom content, because it's actually pretty easy once you know how. And swimwear. Now on to Rosemary. Every day. Rosemary's formal. Athletic wear. Sleepwear, party wear, and last but not least, swimwear. So let's move them into a house. So we're moving into this house here. So we're going to click purchase home, and I'll see you guys when we're in the home. So guys, I'm going to have a look around our house. Oh, no, I don't want you to go there. So we have two pathways. So like you come up this, I like the lights, they're pretty cool. So we, oh wow, camera, very glitched. Oh my god, that gate, wow, okay, game's glitching now. Wow, look at this gate, man, it's so pretty. Oh, okay, so that's like the yard place. You walk in, there are stairs. I just love stairs. I like this bathroom set, I like, so you have to go right around there to get, why is the toilet roll all the way up there? Wow, there's a toilet and then you have to come out to go to the sink, so like I could put a bath in there. So like someone could go and say Granny had to go pee, but I was in the shower, so it'd be kind of fun. Then to your right there is the dining room with 3-mirror wall. Then continue right there is the kitchen that leads onto the back garden where we'll go in a minute. I like the kitchen set out as well. And we have no pets, so I don't really need to change anything. Then to the left we have our outdoor area. And then go up, go left. This is like our reading area because we are both bookworms. And then our living room. Oh, there's a chess table. Then if I spin around, outside here, from like when you come into the kitchen, there's like this patio, grill. Why is there a fire outside? I don't know, but let's move upstairs. So there is 3 stories to this, or even 4. So if you go, oh, a little bit too farther to this side, what am I doing? So if you turn, well, you come up the stairs, okay, and then you turn right, and then turn right again. Here is the bathroom. But if you go straight, this is, I'm not sure what bedrooms are going to be whose yet, but I think this might be mine. We have a balcony, and then go back right across here. We have another bathroom, another bedroom area, a desk, and another little thing. Oh, this is like a, what do you call it? I could turn this into like a kitchen for Granny or something now. I'm not gonna, but let's go up another floor, see what's up there. Oh my gosh, guys, I just literally went upstairs and I was like, wow. So this is like our gaming area. Granny does like to paint. She's gonna be a painter. This is where I could read some of my books and stuff, and oh, I really like this house. I'm not going to change anything, but I'm going to get Granny to come all the way up the stairs and start painting a small painting because she hasn't painted in a long time. And then I'm going to come up here and read. Let's see. The Lord of the Swings. So let's speed this up a little bit. Come on. Oh my god, look at me walk. That's so funny. Okay, please sit down here. Yes, you're gonna sit down here. Granny, come on. Yep, okay, Lily, shut up and just read your book. Oh, lag game. I want to see what Granny's painting. She's painting nothing just now. Rosemary's just reached level 2 of the painting skill, and we're gonna drag this and we're gonna put it here because it's Granny's first painting in a long time. So guys, now I'm going to do my homework, so that'll be fun on a Sunday night, fun times. Well, not Sunday night actually, Sunday morning, and Granny's doing another painting. Do you guys? Oh, that's pretty painting, Granny. Well done. So I'll get back to you guys once there's actually something exciting going on. Maybe the welcome wagon. I'm not really that sure. Granny's just reached level 3 of painting, guys. I'm so happy. So, Granny's another painting. Stick that there. And yeah. Well, actually, guys, I'm going to end this video here and stay tuned for episode 2 for Lily's first day of school. Bye!